Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, there's two things today that I would quickly like to tell you about before I start this video. First thing is for all of the gold traders out there, this will probably interest every single one of you watching this video. I've just released a video on my YouTube channel where I explain one of the most powerful tools that I use to trade gold. It's a great strategy to use, and 99% of gold traders that I talk to who frequently trade gold actually have never heard of this report which I'm referring to. So if you are a gold trader and you trade gold on a regular basis, then please go and check out that video. It's very important and could earn you a lot of money. Second of all, we still have our 25% discount on our trading signals, which is valid until the end of Sunday. Our YouTube channel has just reached a huge milestone along in our journey of receiving 5,000 subscribers. So to say a huge thank you from myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, you can now access our trading signal service for only $150 instead of the normal price of $199. So if you have been watching our videos and you're interested in joining our great team here, then please do not hesitate. You can visit our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description. Anyway, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see, the market has done exactly what I said it would do. You know, there was a lot of traders panicking yesterday when we traded down to 1700, but I had to keep on reassuring everyone that, you know, this is absolutely fine. There is a lot of support at 1700, and as you can see, the buyers step back in. Even so, we also formed a hammer candlestick. As you can see, I'm highlighting on the chart. This is a hammer, which is typically a bullish sign. So this should now push gold back up towards the highs around that 1750 area. You know, this is a very good sign. And today we are trading in the green, currently up around $25 to $27 since yesterday's low at around $16.93. So we're doing really good here on the gold chart. We currently find ourselves trading at $1,722. It looks to me though as we're forming a bullish flag. I'm just going to highlight on the chart now. As you can see, I'm just going to get the bottom of the flag. There we go. It looks to me that we are now forming a bullish flag, which is a bullish sign. You know, it's a bullish holding pattern. And once we can clear the top and trade above 1730, this is a very bullish sign. And we are likely to send this market back towards the highs at the start of last week at that 1764 area. Even so, as well as the bullish flag, it also looks to me that we're now kind of found ourselves trading in a nice rectangle channel, which I'm going to highlight on the graph. There you go. We're kind of just bouncing in between this channel. You know, we tested the upside, the top side of the channel earlier on last week. However, we got rejected, and now we traded back towards the bottom of it. But we found support at 1700 level, and even so, we have the 50-day underneath the 1700 level, so very much supportive around that 1700 level, which I did forecast, and now we are trading back towards the upside. So what to look for in Friday's session? Well, I'll definitely look for a continuation of this rally towards the upside, back up to that 1740 area where we have found resistance in previous sessions. And I'm going to highlight we did find plenty of resistance around that 1740 area. So if we can work our way and grind our way slowly towards that 1740 area on Friday session, this is a great setup for next week. As next week I will look to break above 1740. If we break above 1740, we will then target the highs at 1764 where we were trading earlier on last week. And if we break above there, we will finally trade towards 1800, which has been my year-long target in gold. You know, short term and long term I've been very bullish. I've been saying since January 2020, when we were down trading at $1,500, that 1800 was my yearly target on gold. So I do think that we will get there very shortly. You know, the last 8 weeks we've been in this nice holding pattern, and I just think gold is slowly building up momentum to then take it to that next step higher to $1,800. For $1,800 price level. In front, and then also at the bottom here we have the RSI at 53. You know, we are bang on in the middle, so we have plenty of territory to move to the upside, as well as having plenty of territory to move to a downside. But all in all, long term, short term, I do favour gold moves. And as I mentioned before, in tomorrow's session on Friday, look for gold to grind its way towards that 1740 area.